Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to pin a message in a WhatsApp group so that important information stays at the top for everyone to see. This feature is super useful for announcements, rules, or any important updates. So, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and navigate to the group where you want to pin a message. Now, find the message you want to pin. Long press on it until you see some options appear at the top. Once you've selected the message, tap on the pin icon at the top. WhatsApp will then confirm if you want to pin the message. Just tap pin again to confirm. Now, whenever someone opens the group chat, they'll see the pinned message at the top. This makes it super easy for everyone to find important updates without scrolling through endless messages. If you ever want to unpin the message, simply long press it again and tap unpin, and that's it. And that's how you pin a message in a WhatsApp group. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Also, let me know in the comments what other WhatsApp features you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.